Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add images in Lovable.dev. Jumping into Lovable and trying to add an image feels simple, until you realize there are actually a couple of ways to do it. When I open the site, the first option I notice is the screenshot feature, which lets me capture what's ever on my screen in real time. Kind of handy if I don't already have the image saved, but most of the time, I already have something ready, so I go for the attach button instead. I click upload, browse through my files, and pick for the image I want, like a random photo I had saved, and it uploads instantly. From there, I can start interacting with it, like asking questions or analyzing it, which is where things get interesting. One thing I learned the hard way, you actually need to be logged into the use of images properly. Make sure your account is set up first, otherwise the upload works, but you won't be able to do much with it afterward. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.